I'm going to discuss two picture frame types and how to remove the part from them. First, I'll show how to remove a part from a picture frame that has no frame break. Second, I'll show how to remove a part if the foil tab breaks were machined into the picture frame. First, we will remove the part from the picture frame without using foil tab breaks. This method can only be used on parts that will not distort easily. We can do this with a vise or a pair of 1-2-3 blocks. Open the vise just enough so that the part fits loosely between the jaws, with the picture frame resting on top. Next, take a piece of aluminum bar. Remember, it's important to use aluminum on aluminum parts to avoid damage, and place it next to the tab. Now, lightly strike the aluminum bar with a hammer to break the tab. Once the part is loose and only held by the other tab, simply push the picture frame back and forth to remove it. Now, let's look at how to remove a part when foil tab breaks have been used. The reason we use foil tab breaks is to make part removal easier and reduce stress on the part, preventing distortion. If the part is delicate or prone to bending, you really should use foil tab breaks. If the part has island stock, you can remove it first by pushing it back and forth, and the island stock will fall out. Now use a pair of tin snips to cut each foil tab in half. Just be careful not to scratch the part with the tin snips. Now bend the frame stock material back and forth for each tab to remove it from the part. Now that the picture frame stock is removed, you'll be left with a few tabs that are 5 to 10 thousandths tall. Just use 320 grit sandpaper on a flat surface and sand the part until the tabs are gone. And that's how you remove a part from a picture frame. For more information on the Back Bolt Fixture Plate and how to use it, or to purchase one, please visit McChine.com. Like and subscribe for more videos.